Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is an absolute banger. In today's video, I'm actually surprising my two very good friends, Herlan and Jonathan, for kind of an end-year gift for being part of the NADITEAM. They've been supporting Natty Auto Parts for a long time now. Herlan, he's only been with us for 2 months, but in the past he's worked with us for 6 months now. And long story short, again, I love these two guys. Jonathan's been working at the company now for 1.5 years. I've known Jonathan for over 20 years plus. I've known Herlan probably over 7 years plus. They are such loyal friends, and they're also such big assets to Natty. I absolutely love them. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be as far as I am today, so I truly appreciate them. Just like I always tell you guys, I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys. I wouldn't be here as far as I am in my career if it wasn't for you guys, but they are literally side by side with me every single day, helping me achieve my dreams, and in time, I want to help them achieve theirs as well. So this is kind of like a small little gift to both of them. It's nothing too crazy. We're all struggling. We're all taking pretty poor pay, so we don't milk the business, but we want to see the business succeed. We want to be able to envision a dream life that hopefully we can manifest one day. So that being said, I'm surprising my boy Herlan with something small. He's been with Natty now for 2 months. He's back, and God bless his soul. And long story short, we all have our stress relievers. This is kind of a random thing, but gaming is our stress relievers, all three of us. And Herlan, he has a PS4. And let's just say this PS4 has like 4 or 5 fans screwed onto the top of it. He knows how to make things work, but let's just say he needs to learn to let things go. That PS4 has called it quits and has tried to kill itself 4 or 5 times, and that PS4 is just still alive. So that being said, go ahead and set you guys right there. We got a PS5, pretty sick. I absolutely love PS5s. That's currently my game console. I love Warzone. That's what we play every single day. He loves Apex. You know, we get a good 30 minutes to an hour every night, if that. Some nights, obviously, it's a little rough when you have a baby and whatnot, but if we can get 30 minutes to an hour, that's just a good day and a great stress reliever, and I think he's gonna absolutely love this. So yeah, that's for my boy Herlan. Jonathan, I'm gonna be moving out of here. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to carpool. I don't want my boy Jonathan to struggle, so we're gonna go ahead and get him a sick daily. He absolutely loves his E92 M3, so what better daily is to get him an E92 335. So we're getting him a 335i. We're going to try to deck it out with a few options. This 335i, we're actually picking up from my boy Herlan, the same guy that's getting the PS5. I'm actually buying that car from him. I'm going to prank Jonathan, because Jonathan wants that car. Herlan's going to make up some story that he sold to someone else. I'm going to be that someone else, and then I'm going to deck it out with mods, and then I'm going to show it to him and tell him that I'm the one flipping it, or whatever, and he's going to be really pissed off, and then I'm going to tell him, hey, listen, this is your car and all these mods are yours. So stay tuned. This video is gonna be sick. So guys, this is the next morning. The surprise happens today, surprising my two best friends, which I'm super stoked for. So yeah, that being said, we are loaded up. I did wake up a little bit late, but it's all gravy in the Navy. We should be fine. So what we're doing right now is actually heading down to the shop, and the car was actually delivered last night. Like I said earlier, Herlan is the guy that's actually selling me this car to surprise Jonathan, and long story short, the car got towed to the shop last night, and I need to get it, and I need to take it to the other shop to hide it and make some excuse for Jonathan to go to the other shop. So mind you guys, Jonathan already knows that Herlan had this car. Actually, Jonathan wanted to buy this car off Herlan, but long story short, I convinced Herlan to say that some random person was going to see it last night and then ended up buying it. So just to piss him off and be kind of pissed with Herlan today, that was kind of like the goal. And then I'm actually going to tell him that I bought the car because I need to make some money myself, and I thought it was a really good opportunity. No offense. kind of see where that takes us, but interesting turn for events. So let's head down to the shop and just go see this bad boy. I bought it sight unseen and move this thing to the other shop. Alright guys, they just put the key on the windshield. They dropped off the car. Herlan just literally passed me. He's heading off to get some breakfast. But long story short, the car is right there. So let's go ahead and back her into the shop and get it in a presentable fashion. So guys, here's the car. This is Jonathan's brand new 335, and it doesn't look amazing. It does need some love. I don't know if you guys can see on the door right now, the paint, unfortunately, is not the greatest. The fender, the hood, the other fender, and the bumper does need some love. And unfortunately, it does need some other things as well. But we all love a good project car. So we're actually getting this for Jonathan and helping him get this thing roadworthy to be his ultimate daily driver. So not only am I going to go ahead and get him this car, but we're also going to sponsor him some of these parts on this car so he can actually get this thing exactly where he wants it. As for right now, I got to go ahead and move the car. So I got to move the Porsche right over here. We have the other cars chilling right there. I'm going to try to get the 335 chilling right here and clean it up as much as I can and just make it as presentable as I can. So when Jonathan walks in here with the weird surprise, he's going to be surprised. So guys, we got the car in here, and I think what I'm going to go ahead and sponsor Jonathan with, because I honestly don't know if he's really going to care about the paint section as much as he cares about getting this thing perfectly running and driving. So as you guys know, I bought this car from Herlan. He diagnosed it just needed an ECU or some kind of like simple issue with the car. So I'm going to go ahead and sponsor Jonathan with his KeyCast DME. That's a few $100 right there. That should get him to get this car running and driving, and he actually drive this thing home and hopefully film a video of his own. I don't like to give him a perfectly sorted car because at the end of the day, he can't make content, and I want to encourage him to make content. At the same time, getting him a daily driver because everyone needs a daily driver. Like I told you guys earlier, I am moving to a different location, so we're not gonna be able to carpool, unfortunately. So dailing an M3 is just not practical. This 335, for those of you guys who don't know, is basically an N52 on the freeway. Like fuel economy on the freeway on 335s are basically matched with N52s. It's crazy. Check out the interior. It has aluminum trim, navigation. Shout out to Herlan. He threw in an M Sport steering wheel because he wanted to hook up Jonathan with something pretty cool. Not only did he hook him up with that steering wheel, but he did give me a pretty good price on this car, and he diagnosed the car for us, and not to mention he even covered the tow to bring the car here. So he wanted to help out Jonathan in a way as well. So shout out to Herlan for helping me out with this thing. And at the same time, again, this thing's got some good bones, and it's only gonna get so much better. Thankfully, the quarter panels, the roof, the trunk, the stuff that are kind of harder to deal with and can't be replaced is in really good shape. The stuff that needs paint and also can be theoretically replaced with OEM Alpine White panels, it can just be removed and put back on. You could just even get an M Sport Alpine White front bumper, slap it on, bada bing, bada bang. It is a project. It will take some time to put together, but ultimately, as long as it can run and drive in the next month in perfect shape. I don't know if you guys can remember, my boy Herlan always wanted a 540 after he sold his first 540. He always talked about it in our group. And the thing is about me, I don't want to just buy a nicer car for the sake of getting him a nicer car. I want to buy more things as sentimental. For us at our ages, we're all able to afford what we technically need, but it's more the things that we want that we don't buy anymore because we're old and we have responsibilities. So Herlan always wanted another 540, but he couldn't ever justify it because now he has a family and has other responsibilities. So buying a 540 is not really a practical family car, nor is it practical on gas. So we ended up getting a 540 for him that needed some work that he was able to put his own touch to it and absolutely loved that car. Now for this 335, Jonathan, I don't know if you guys remember, had a manual white 335i that he absolutely loved. And long story short, he had to sell that to get his M3. But he always talked about how he loved his Apex wheels on his Alpine White 335. His was a manual. This is an automatic, but who says he's not going to be able to swap that one day? And like I said, the front end, it needs some work, so you might as well upgrade it to M Sport parts. We get a lot of parts here at Natty Auto Parts, so pretty much he's going to get a lot of the parts from us, and it's going to be really cheap for him, and at the same time, he's going to be able to build a car on the side for a very low cost because I am literally giving him this car. He's not paying a penny for it, and it should be pretty sick. That is a surprise for Jonathan. I told you guys I have a surprise for Herlan. Herlan is going to help me surprise Jonathan with this car. What he doesn't know is that he has a PS5 as well, chilling back there. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead, head back to the shop. I did load up a radio support to justify the reason to why I'm here. And I'm going to go back to the other shop, pretend like everything's gravy in the Navy, and then bring the boys over and surprise them. Now remember, Jonathan doesn't know that we actually have this car. So I'm going to play it off like I actually bought this for myself first and see his reactions. All the boys are walking over right now. I got a bumper. I told them that basically everything fell over at the shop and I'm gonna need all hands on deck to reorganize things. So let's head to that shop right now. And I had Herlan. He's gonna say some stuff to piss off Jonathan, and we'll see what happens. Hold on.
Huh? The good team bought it.
Hey, Jonathan, listen. Listen what Herlan has to say, though. What does Herlan have to say about this car? None of the hood stuff. What did you want to say? Is the reason why you couldn't sell it to Jonathan?
It's mechanical damage, so I don't know if you can handle that. You know what I mean? You want like a part like bodywork flip, no? What?
It is low-key kind of crap, though.
Dude, this is the whole point of bringing me over here?
Because you're gonna find out sooner or later that I got it because you wanted to sell it to me, but you know I didn't want to.
Okay.
Oh shit, bro.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I'm just kidding, bro.
This is a new flip.
This is for you.
Why?
Because you need a flip, and you need. Which is not really a flip; it's more of a daily. So I wanted to get you a daily. Same way I got Herlan a 540. He missed the 540, so we got him a Project 540. You need a daily. You always talked about your white 335 that you missed. This thing has a good roof, good quarters. The paint's good. You just need the front end. We'll help you out with that. The ECU DME cast. I don't want you to spend more money on this car, so we're gonna sponsor that too. So you just send that off to Nick, bring it back, and now you got a daily. So now you don't have to worry about a daily. It's all paid for.
And then obviously, I'm a guarantee
because
the engine.
You need a daily, bro. And at the end of the day, you work hard, and I appreciate you. And I know you were like thinking about. I don't want to spend my hard-earned money recently on the daily, so I was like, let me just get you a 335.
Can you throw your Apex on here and drive it a little bit?
Were you okay? Hold on, real quick, because I don't know what's going on with your face right now. Were you really pissed off at me?
I was like, dude, what the frick is going on? I was talking to this dude all day yesterday. And like, you know what's funny? That Apex with him last time, I was like, hey.
No way!
I was like, did you end up selling the 335? He's like, oh yeah, my bad, I sold it. I'm like, alright, it is what it is, bro.
What were you thinking though? Were you pissed at us?
I was like, you really bought it?
I did. I was like,
you thought I bought it?
Yeah, I was like, what the frick?
Oh shit, bro.
Crazy, bro.
So anyways, she runs. I mean, you gotta slap your Apexes on there. Again, the KeyCast DME sponsor, so you just gotta slap that in there, and then you can drive it home. Herlan guarantee, bro. So you just gotta. That's the Herlan guarantee, bro. Also, he hooked it up. He threw in an M Sport steering wheel for you. So.
Dang, bro. Look at this.
And then we're gonna hook it up as well. You don't have heated seats, so we're gonna slap in 2 front heated seats.
You know you were talking about YouTube?
Yeah, so
Heated seat retrofit.
I was gonna install it, and then I was thinking I don't want to put it in because I want you to make videos on it. So you have 2 front heated seats and the climate buttons. We're gonna give that to you. The KeyCast DME, we're gonna give that to you. So you make videos and all that stuff. And then the panels, the door, whatever. If we ever get an Alpine white, we can work something out on that.
We'll find one.
Yeah, the good news is everything is replaceable. The stuff that's not replaceable, you know, they're actually good.
2 keys. I got lucky like Nick's 335 manual. Yep.
Oh, yeah? Come on, big boy.
Get over here. Get over here.
Come on.
Come on. Come here.
Come here. It's somebody over here.
Okay, have it?
End of year bonus. End of year gift. You need one, bro.
Look around.
Your
Look
fucking
around.
PS4 is dying, bro.
Look around. Yes. Goody. Yes, sir.
Guys, he literally has a PS4 with like 4 fans duct taped to it, and it sounds like a rocket, jet engine rocket, bro.
Plug off today, go home.
So me and Herlan can also respect the fact this Fortnite edition, he doesn't like Fortnite, but the code in here is worth $100. So sell that and get yourself whatever else you want with it. You know what I mean? So it's like, hey, win-win. By the way, and also guys, Jonathan's behind the camera right now. It's the same reaction that Herlan gave me. I'm not taking this car. I'll pay you back in a sense. So I understand because these guys work really hard. End of the day, they do it. We do it for each other, and it's kind of a crazy thing. End of the day, but you guys will see the videos.
What the heck, bro? I don't know what to say.
Jonathan, your asses just went up overnight.
I appreciate it. This is crazy. I appreciate you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, I got my gloves on still because I was coming over here to work, bro. I was coming over to work.
Everything's good.
Shoot, bro. Fortnite edition.
Just want my wife, I bought it. Piss her off a little bit.
So Craig is wife.
Oh, I should wrap
Hey,
it.
bro.
So yeah, guys, I am happy to say that they were both super happy with their end of year presents here at Natty Auto Parts. I am super thankful to have them both working here with me side by side. Literally my two best friends in life are working with me side by side, and that is one of the biggest gifts in life, because honestly, guys, as you get older and older and older, you start to realize getting kind of away from all your friends and family, and you kind of more focus on you know, your future with your new family. So that's gonna have to conclude this video. If Jonathan and Herlan, if you guys are watching this video, I love you guys, and hopefully another great year here at Natty Auto Parts, and just another great year of just being able to hang out and just do things together. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. Might as well show you guys a little bit of a teaser, because I kind of announced it on Instagram. I have a problem on buying projects and not finishing them recently. It's just kind of my thing recently. And one of them being that I just bought this 328i M Sport Le Mans Blue LCI for $1,000. I couldn't say no to it. The only damage is right here in the rear. It needs a bumper, it needs a little bit of quarter panel work, and it's done. So it runs and drives 220,000 miles, and yeah, literally runs and drives. It literally has no problems. It has manual seats, honeycomb trim, navigation. The interior is kind of clapped. The body needs some work, but long story short, for $1,000. I said I need to get it for a daily. Do I need a daily? Not so much, but for $1,000, I mean, come on. I really don't want to take it apart. It runs and drives. Yeah, in case you guys are wondering what I'm up to behind the scenes, while I'm not getting to the other projects, I'm working on that bad boy. Anyways, I have so much I need to get done. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned. I'm trying to upload more frequently. I'm working on it, guys. Thank you guys for being patient with me. I love you guys so much. Hopefully a good jam-packed video in the next video. But without further ado, it's going to have to conclude this video. I love y'all so much. Remember to stay humble. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.